Let's talk about .com giftshop Large Floral Storage Bag with zip strong and durable 55 by 48 by 28 centimeters 70 liters blue vintage doily. The original jumbo storage bag vintage doily collection. Extra large size, height, 19, width, 21, depth, 11. Eco-friendly, reusable and made of 90 recycled plastic bottles. Strong, durable, lightweight, foldable and wipeable. Perfect for storing bedding, duvets, clothes and laundry. This bag is very large, strong and holds a lot of items. Excellent product. I would recommend. Perfect for storing towels, sheets, etc. I purchased 2 of these to keep my waste recycling in, and they happily do the job as they are strong enough to hold paper and cardboard but are equally pleasing to the eye. Would certainly recommend.